Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. So, what you guys see here is the very first installed and on air 5G equipment by Verizon. Now, as you can see, it is facing apartment complexes, and this is what it was intended for. The first rollout of 5G for Verizon is going to be broadband connection. The mobile side, they will also roll that out, but the first initial deployment is going to be broadband connection, and they want to do so to bring competition to the market. So the way it works for certain apartment complexes, including mine, they are pre-wired for a certain service. So some apartment complexes have two services, some have three, some have only one. So the way it works is you are pre-wired for a certain service. With me, it's AT&T Uverse. So that apartment complex can only use AT&T Uverse because that's what it's pre-wired for. And usually when apartment complexes are already up and they have tenants, they don't usually allow contractors or anything like that to put additional wiring inside the apartment complex. Well, this deployment from Verizon can solve that issue and bring competition to that side as well. And it can, it's a good connection. It's not going to be as good as, of course, a wired connection, but it's going to bring a lot of speeds from what I've been seeing Verizon testing, even indoors. So this is really good for competition. So if you are, I don't know exactly what area this is, but if you are in the Los Angeles area, look forward to Verizon pretty soon start offering broadband connection in your apartment complexes if you don't have any competition. Because with AT&T Uverse, it can get, after the first year in contract, it can get pretty ugly as far as pricing, and the service isn't that great in my opinion. So definitely, if you're in the Los Angeles area, be on the lookout. And of course, as time goes by, other areas as well. But I've said this before in one of my other videos, as time goes by and Sprint and T-Mobile are still trying to get this merger approved, Verizon is working very quietly, and they are just putting up equipment after equipment after equipment. So I wanted to share this with you guys in the channel. This is the very first on-air 5G equipment install for Verizon. So leave all your comments in the comment section down below. I also, just to throw that in there, I've been reading this as well. This looks very tacky, very ugly. I agree. I'm sure as the technology develops, it's going to start looking better over time. So definitely stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. This is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.